Welcome to Dialogues, and today we are in conversation with Hani Bhakchandani of Torchit. Welcome, Hani. Such great social innovation from you. We need more like you in the society. Tell us the gratification you get as an entrepreneur when you see कि आपके products किस तरह से लोगों को society में empower कर रहे हैं.
Thank you so much, Bushra, for having me here. Uh, so I can give you a small example when I made the torch in my engineering as a project. So जब मैं torch को demo देने गया था blind school में, and after demo I got such blessings. मैंने वो demo जो है वो 2 दिन में बनाया था. I made in 2 days a prototype. And I didn't knew कि उसको MVP बोलते हैं, minimal viable prototype. I just made as a college project, and I went to the blind school and got super feedback. उस टाइम मुझे ऐसा लगा कि मेरा जीवन सफल हो चुका है. इतनी सारी blessings एक दिन में इतने सारे लोगों से मिल रही थी. So, and today, of course, after 3 years, we launched the product, and today we have more than 100,000 users. And जितने लोग use कर रहे हैं उनके every day, every morning, I have 3 to 4 suggestions. I have 3 to 4 like thank you notes from the community, like different part of the world, different areas of India. So it's such a great start of a day.
That's amazing. We
Yeah,
need more like you. So, Hani, tell us, Sarthi, of course, is very, very popular.
yeah.
But ऐसे और कोई products आपके pipeline में हैं for the differently abled in the society?
Yes, yes. So we have handicare. आपने like you have seen many people in footpaths or railway stations or even in their school environment. They are pushing through hand जिनके पाँव नहीं होते, like who are handicapped with their lower body, lower limb impaired जिनको बोलते हैं. So they are pushing ground and sitting on a slate or पाटिया जो बोलते हैं हम. So like we made another product which is handicare, like without pushing to the grounds, the person can just rotate the cycle handles, and without machinery he or she can move forward. So this is called handicare. Right now we got good orders from one CSR company, and we are now coming to Delhi only. For within next 1 or 2 weeks we are distributing thousand of this kind of devices in Delhi. Apart from handicare, we have smart crutches as well. Again, smart crutches is for the lower limb impaired population, or even the crutches I used in when I got an accident on a temporary basis. So these crutches will like reduce your shoulder stress by 40%, and it will increase the walking speed of the user by 30%. And the main part, this is very lightweight and all terrain crutch. So if I'm using a crutch, so what is my fundamental query is, ये स्लीप तो नहीं हो जाएगी. सो इट इज
Hmm.
एंटी स्लीप क्रच. सो बहुत सारे यूजर्स फास्ट नहीं चलते या कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ नहीं चलते, क्योंकि उनको डर रहता है मन में कि ये स्लीप हो गई तो एक्चुअली मेरा पाँव टूटा हुआ है और टूट जाएगा. So this is designed from the human foot, and I can say this all our products are patented products. And apart from this, we have one more product which is smart gloves for hearing and speech impaired. So smart gloves is helping a hearing and speech impaired to communicate with anyone without sign language. So it is also appreciated by the Prime Minister Modi, and so we are also part of PM's speech many times.
Okay, that's amazing, Honey.
Yeah.
Okay, two-part question. Market expansion के बारे में, what is your market like domestically? What is the penetration like in the rural areas in tier 2 or tier 3 cities? And आपको already 30% sales international market से आ रहा है. वहाँ
Yes.
expansion का क्या plan है?
So in India, of course, we started with India. We started with Gujarat only. I launched my product in Blind People Association, which is one of the biggest NGO. Many people are aware about this, and their parents who are actually visually impaired or who are having a disability. So now they are supplying our products, procuring from tier 1 or tier 2 cities to supply in their villages to help their family members. So like this, अभी जैसे product popular हो रहा है, so we are getting more demand from tier 2, tier 3, or even the villages. So
Okay.
we have presence now more than 25 countries. Very very good presence, I can say right now. But with this financial year or next financial year, we will be having more than 50 or 55% sales coming from international. for sure.
That's good. That's great, honey. You spoke about affordability. किसी भी
हाँ.
बिजनेस को चलाने के लिए उस प्रोडक्ट्स को इकोनॉमिकली आपको प्रोडक्ट आपका ऐसा है कि इट हैज टू बी अफोर्डेबल बट योर बिजनेस हैज टू आल्सो मेक सेंस एंड द होल थिंग हैज टू बी इकोनॉमिकली वायबल. हाउ आर यू डूइंग दिस बैलेंस?
Actually, right question, Busha. Actually, मैंने जब प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च किया था, से एग्जाम्पल, I'm giving my own story. जब मैंने प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च किया था तब हमने 1500 का लॉन्च किया था, which is hardly $22. बट हम तब सर्वाइव नहीं कर पाए थे, तब हमारे पास इतने एक्सपेंस नहीं थे. वी गेटिंग गुड ऑर्डर्स फ्रॉम एनजीओस, वी गेटिंग गुड ऑर्डर्स फ्रॉम सीएसआर. तो हमारा मार्केटिंग एक्सपेंस था ही नहीं. तब हम 1500 में भी हमारा प्रोडक्ट हमको पहुंचा था, हैविंग अ 20-25% प्रॉफिट मार्जिन. बट ओवर द पीरियड ऑफ टाइम कॉस्टिंग इंक्रीज हुआ, ऑफ कोर्स. उसके साथ वी आर एबल टू एक्सपांड आवर टीम, वी आर एबल टू एक्सपांड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन चैनल्स. वो भी हमारे प्रोडक्ट से कमाए 20% 30%, ये उनका हक है. तो दैट्स व्हाई वी इंक्रीज आवर प्राइसिंग टू $35, which is roughly around 2,700 rupees, 2,500 rupees. So we are supplying to them at 2,200 to 2,000 rupees. हमने अपना प्राइसिंग उतना से थोड़ा से बढ़ाया, बट एमआरपी इंक्रीज कर दिया बिकॉज दे कैन ऑल्सो अर्न.
Okay,
So
okay.
if we are only going to sell, so we are very limited. We are team of right now we are team of 24 people. हम 24 लोग कम काम कर पाएंगे. अगर हमारे पास आज की तारीख में 80 जितने डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स हैं अक्रॉस इंडिया एंड ओवर द वर्ल्ड. So now we have extended team of 80 people. So for them we have to think, and उनकी टीम हमारे डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स की भी टीम है. So we are now family of more than 1,000 people, we can say.
Okay, so
And
great network and the game of volumes
exactly.
is working. Okay, great. So tell us, आपका एसोसिएशन रहा है टाई दिल्ली एनसीआर के साथ. How has this helped you in your business and your entrepreneurial journey, honey?
So if I talk about the Tire Daily specifically, like they help me a lot in terms of marketing, in terms of mentoring. Of course, if you are a young entrepreneur where you don't have such experience, such background, whatever in your field, ये like मैंने तो अपना college project को ही लेके direct market में चला गया था. Lot of failures, lot of learnings. Tai Delhi provided the platform where I can meet the good mentors, because Delhi is a market for us in India, because all governments, all big NGOs, all big corporates are residing in Delhi. So Tai Delhi वहाँ के जो mentors हैं उनके थ्रू हमको बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा network support मिला है.
Okay, great. Thank you,
uh,
honey. Thank you so much. It was great speaking with you, and
pleasure is
that's
mine, man.
great social innovation. And wishing you many more milestones. Thank you
Thank you
so
so
much.
much, man. Thank you.